Yeah, that's where I should. The value that I'm trying to subtract from looked uninitialized, and indeed it is. Allow deletion, console log base, destructors. Copy elements. Though it is a freed object building. Unlocked was destructed. So there is an A constructed here. I did just ate lunch, Post Bunny. So basically, yes. This. Let's try that one. Yeah, difficult. Okay, so here we have a vector of A. A is constructed. Okay, I can live with that. But. Why would that be destructed already? What do you mean, Reggie? What software is this? You mean this? Or this? Or this? I think I better turn tracked off. Either that or look at the debug output here. Should be printing it. Here's one, something that is being deleted. Am I still accessing that one? Oh, I should print this pointers here. The editor, yeah, but the editor is not invisible now. I'm running Valgrind on my own source code in console. And if I edit my code, I use NeoVim. This is way too difficult. And this tracked stuff, it's printing pseudo names as in numbers. It's not helping. Not. Okay, I want to see this pointers. I want to see this pointers. This is being printed by tracked. Why the hell is not printing this pointers? This stuff, right? Cha. Yeah, maybe I should not be too lazy for a library thing. Wait, I was searching for this. I thought I'm not searching for that. Searching for this. What did I see here? Just the word vanished. Revived. Is that a word? Whatever. Yeah, let's add this pointer as well. I don't really need to dot then. Trying to existing object. Not sure about this column here, and there's also a column there, so more follows. Search status below. I don't think that needs a disk pointer. Or I'm guessing. This delete finish. So leak to the column. That is a continued, yeah. Let's do it like that then. Right. Oh, I guess that was all. At exit. Okay, so we go up until the third. And this is this pointer here. And yeah, that's deleted. It's the same as this one. So that at least is good. Definitely trying to access something that is already deleted. Why are we trying to access it? And why is it being deleted? And what is it in the first place? We have no idea. I have so little debug output. There should be way more than just tracked. Why is there almost no debug output? The only thing that's turned on is tracked. Makes no sense. Tracked. I don't think this is overriding that one, is it? Is it overriding it? No. Yeah, I'm doing it like this here. Adding more and more and more. Just in case, let me try that. Yep, notice. Suddenly you have a notice. I don't think I had a notice before. No, that's pretty weird. That is pretty damn weird, man. Are you now telling me that suddenly channels on is turning off all previous debug channels? Maybe it is. Yeah, the notice is repeated. Warning is repeated. So the notice here again, warning, notice, and warning is almost always on. This is one of the lines turned on, not all of them. So this one is also nonsense then, isn't it? Only turn on action and semaphore. Well, maybe, but in this case I just want to have everything on. Everything. Still almost no debug though, because the only thing I get now is still nothing. What? Oh, there's a notice here. This one fucking notice here. 3 then 4. The rest is tracked. It looks totally different than before. Before we were destroying 0, and now suddenly nothing. Is this something else? Yeah, 0. I don't see. Oh, here's a destructor. Let's have a look if I can find that now. It's not being 0, but hopefully it is still destructed. New, it's something else. It's a different assert. It's a deadlock. A deadlock. Run it again. Yeah, now it's better. I think it just got past this point. So the next thing is going to be a deadlock. There's no notices here at all now. This is the very first bloody node item that is made. Gets destroyed there. Why? Yeah, so M count here is 1. And then who's responsible for that 1? Why the hell is this calling a default constructor of A? What the hell is that? What the Copy elements. Hello, Mike. ICXX is a collection of source code that I extracted from Singularity Viewer. Written by me, but I was kind of wasted on that viewer, so and I turned it into libraries. Or rather Git submodules. I'm clueless. Clueless. Okay, before we entered this line, we had a reference count of 1. And now I'm going to make a copy of it. And I'm pretty sure that this thing contains an object that kind of acts like a boost intrusive pointer. So if you make a copy of that, the reference count should end up as 2. So I'm happy with this increase to 2. But in the end, it's gonna go to 0, which is bullshit, nonsense. Still continue. Yeah, it goes down again to 1. Why? Why would it ever do that? Up it, up it, up. Yeah, I don't know. Something was constructed here. Just the last time here. No. Wait, this point, that one. Yep, and that's destructed again. So it's constructing it, incrementing the reference count, and now it's destructing it again, decrementing the reference count. But then how was that useful? I don't get it. It's a destruction of an A. During magic, standard invoke, table node copy elements. Is it a lambda or something? Yes, a lambda. Right, so that lambda is doing weird stuff. This add here is a lambda, and then apparently at the moment that it's called, it constructs something and then it destructs it again without doing anything with it. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Something is horribly wrong here. Next, yeah, no. Could do continue and then it drops to 0. No, there it is. Which is also weird. Maybe there's something wrong with your That's what a young ice bear says. Wow. I'm again having super much sleep. I think. Just while looking at this code, just my brain shuts down, I think. Yeah, I see it. Ah. I have no idea what Y is, but you don't get that, I guess. Help me let my WA be connected again, please. Yeah, sure. No problem. Is that an English word? I don't think so. Let's test if ChatGPT knows what you mean. If even ChatGPT doesn't know, then it's absolutely not understandable. Right, well, I don't think so. I mean, what the hell does this stream or anything has to do with WhatsApp? I'm not even using WhatsApp. So failure there. I'm so fucking sleepy. Why? So one eye is like rotating away. That's sleepy. Can't even focus. Oh, right. I said I understood what the problem is. Because the decrement here happens upon the destruction. You don't see it here because the debug output happens before the tracked output. I see that it is being destructed here. So this is being destructed. And that is 24. And here we have a move constructor. So 24 is moved to 25. And then when 24 is destructed, we decrement the reference count. That is wrong. After moving it, it should not decrement the reference count. Right, so that means that we have to go to frame 0 and then up until we see that it is decrementing the reference count, like there. And it is doing that, yeah, well, I mean, come on. If I moved this thing, then the only thing I can do is make mbase 0, right? And then test on that and not call it. I think that's what I should do. I'm going to look for allow deletion explicitly, just to broaden. Any other bugs related to this? Oh, well, that's none thus. So this should be if mbase, then do that. And then we have to set mbase to null. Here's something else. Inhibit deletion. But then mbase is being set to whatever some pointer is. Other pointer, yeah, well, yeah, well, no, we crash anyway, right? And just mbase is null here for some reason, then we crash. And then we need moving stuff. Here's a move, 2 moves, and both are default. Study. Hello. How is study? So we all want to do move all these stuff. What is the stuff here? The private stuff. Only mbase, I think, or what? We have a reference type. It's a base class. Afraid we have to do all of that, right? Let's see, now I have no clue. It's horrible. Yeah, you have to do all the base classes, I think. So that one, whatever it is the first one. Undo, redo. First one, first base class, standard move, original. It keeps amazing me. This it is something that is a bug in C++. I'm sure of it. It's not destructing it, but it is doing something with the base class first. So original is, let's say after standard move, you're no longer allowed to access it, right? So then we begin with, well, destroying original's base class. And then we do the rest, which then no longer may access original. Well, not the base class of original anyway. But. Feels like it should be done in the reverse order. Construction should be done in this order. So this must be constructed first. But extracting the stuff is I don't know, something is really fishy. Nevertheless, we have also this base class here, 3yy, undo, redo, paste. Yeah, I don't know. Comma. Oh, it puts it there. Really? find that a bit it's a bit too much unless it fits. Seems to fit. No, I'm not doing that. Let's do an indent of that's enough. Way enough. And then what do we get? Well, now we have both base classes, so then using, well, it won't be public, so you might as well scroll down until we see something that is private. That's a function. Public again. Protected. There's something here. Yeah, what I expected actually. So it was just mbase and then also an mref pointer, if that's defined. So the next one is mbase. Well, then I can put a comma here. I can remove this comma. Comma here. I can put mbase here. Yeah, and then theoretically it should be moved, but it is a pointer, so there's nothing to move. I'm just going to do this. And then again, that with an mref pointer. Also a pointer. Original.mref pointer. And then mbase is null pointer, which then stops decrementing the reference count. Now we only need to do that when we call allow whatever here, this one. Might as well save one clock cycle here. Oh, wait. I have to set original now to null. The chat. My mail. You wanna? Why do you want my email? Just curious. I already get 1,000 spams a day, so I'm totally willing to give you my email address. As every spammer in the whole world already has it. But why do you need my email address to clear doubt? I'm just curious. Well, and then this one as well. Editing party. Oh well, it's the clear subject line, or you know, all that spam. I'm like spam, 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 spam. I spend 0.2 seconds per email on just reading the subject lines. Or of course you have to add that I did win $10 million. Then I will read your email. The average IQ of humanity is... I mean, the fact that they keep spamming me my whole life long means that people keep falling for it. I literally need way less than 1 second to recognize a spam email by subject. And then there are still people that give away their ID and the identity or their money because they're so stupid that they fall for it. It's completely beyond me. Or like on Telegram, I get a message, you know. Yeah, I block them always, but someone says something like, "Hello, can I talk to you for a moment?" Something like that. And then I react, "No, I'm not interested in scammers from India." And then you see them log in within a minute, and I get a double check mark, so they read what I said, and then they log off again, meaning that they were indeed scammers. Well, should I also do something with the reference? Probably it doesn't matter, right? Because I'm not doing anything with it in the destructor, and after this you should only be allowed to destruct it anyway. So if after this the destructor of original origin is called, then I do not do anything with the mref, so it doesn't matter if I set it to null or not. I have to sneeze. That was the point of no return. Took seconds to build up. Interesting, isn't it? And now the typo is... Why is that a typo? Confused. This is a base class. This is a constructor. The move constructor. Oh. I'm not confused anymore. Why the hell did I copy the public? Louis, my favorite Louis. Ref. What was the problem here? Ref. It's ref pointer. All those typos. Unbelievable. Return. Oh, like that. Well, then just return this. Yeah, compiles. Amazing. So now we're going to run into a deadlock again. If I fix this, I think I did. So might as well run it in the debugger. Run. Yeah, deadlock. And if I run it again. Again deadlock. Good. I think I fixed it. So that was still the same this pointer, and around 25 you now see that 23 here is moved to 24, and then 24 is moved to 25, and then 24 and 23 are destructed, but no deletions. Well, I mean no decrement of reference counts anymore. Very good. Don't be sorry, man. You can do what you want. Nobody's gonna stick around forever, I guess. What shall I do here with this, Louis? It says that it is a deadlock. I have to debug it again, right? Why is this deadlocking? Am I finding this many deadlocks with my test? Then I'm kind of scared that I leave a lot of deadlocks in it, just because I don't test it. This way I'm only finding the stuff that I'm testing. Right, so here the set digraph, we have seen that one before. Trying to lock line 27. Uh-oh. First I was locking it here and then again here, which was very ridiculous. But now it even deadlocks on the first lock. Why? Yeah, well, nobody will get this unless we know what we are trying to lock. It isn't printed. I think I just need add debug output every time I lock something. And unlock, so I know exactly where and when what is locked. Still the insert of test one. Object add to graph. It's inside the insert. So really not an easy way to just print a bloody name of that thing. How can I print it? Graph item. It looks like an item. It's an item. AI ref count, blah 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 blah. One item.id attribute list. That's what I was looking for. Oh, here's the what. Oh, it's just there. Just all printed. So this is a G0. Good. We're trying to add autograph. I bet that is autograph. Oh, there's no what. What am I missing here? This is a wrapper around something. I have to print a base, I think. So how did that work? Can we just print mbase, or it didn't work, right? Nope. That was this thing .mbase. Yep, that's an item. So then we can print that. And then we have what, yeah. What is, it's test one autograph. Outer subgraph, I mean. Good. Clear. And then we look item pointer, which should be the subgraph again. So we can print item pointer item. Wow, stupid debugger. I think it's like this. Yes. So yeah, that's still the same thing here. So we're looking outer graph now. Okay, step. Lockity lock. Now we call that or whatever. Try and place into items the item.id. No. Just adding it. Is it a graph? Well, yes, it is a graph. So subgraph is let's see if I can print that again. Probably this is subgraph like that. Nope. Damn it, what is this? Oh, that's more direct. I don't see the what. Yeah, here it is. Still out of graph. We're going to set the digraph on outer graph. Set it, and now we run over all the items of the outer graph. Now we're locking something. I want to know what it is before I lock it. So this is item pointer again. Okay, let me see. Item pointer. We have that somewhere. Item pointer. Yep. That is the inner subgraph. That should not be locked, so we can lock it. Yep. Is it a graph? Well, yes. So now we have graph. We can also print that one again. Subgraph. Pointer. Or not. I don't have that yet. And graph. Just directly. Yeah, that's the inner graph. Still, of course. Now we're going to call set digraph on the inner graph. Step. Set that. We're going to run over all the items of the inner graph, which I think is, I don't know. Two elements. Okay. Next, item pointer. So the first item of the inner graph is table A. Aha. So maybe table A is locked. But table A is not a graph, is it? Or maybe it is. Okay, so we do next. Where am I? Next, and that, yeah, table A was locked. Oh wait, I'm locking it anyway, because I have to log it before I can even look at if it is a graph or not. So it doesn't matter if it is a graph or not. None of the items in the graph can be locked at this point, because we are going to try to lock it. Yeah, and that's from main. 63. So the problem is that I'm trying to insert test while I have already added table A to test 1, and table A is locked. And it's locked because it's locked. I mean, I just have to, I'm even passing a locked table here. So I might as well not pass a locked table and then make sure that it is unlocked there. And the same with that one. So we want to keep this one, but not that one. And also not that one. But we need these elements of A. Let's reorder stuff a bit. Want to get rid of that one. That's it. Okay, close that. And then here we have the right locked table B. And now they are no longer locked. And I have a feeling I will deadlock again here, because I still have the edge locked. You cannot write to the dot file while anything is locked. So I'm actually so sure about that that I might as well. Unlock it again. Oh, too few arguments, so function call expected to have 1. Oh, really? Oh, well, add container. Oh, wait a minute. I commented this one out. Yeah, but it's a move one. It's when I move it. So we only have one where I also pass an already locked read-locked container, because you pass it like that, but that's not necessary then. Let's duplicate it. You can also not pass a read locked container, and then not pass it here either. Still a deadlock, seriously. Where do we deadlock this time? Reindeer changed. Add Outlook subgraph. still insert test one. What the hell? Yeah, the rank there changed is logging the outer subgraph, so well, that's probably already logged. It's totally logged. It's probably being logged here. You almost wish that you were using a recursive mutex, right? Maybe that would be easier. The subgraph is already locked, otherwise I cannot even call set rank there on it. Ging die graph there? So graph item. Item set reindeer. It's a virtual function. Comment set reindeer. Reindeer graph data is derived from graph item. And overriding set reindeer. Okay. So we go to a derived class, and then that access owner, whatever that is, index container set. Isn't the problem then that this is already locked? No, wait, and then we're going to the reindeer graph thing, so that is the outer subgraph, which is already locked. But. Hello, Len. I did not quit Vulkan. It just, I don't know, man. I got stuck, and then I started writing this in order to be able to get an overview back of my Vulkan engine. And then this takes forever. But yeah, not giving up. I think that the reindeer graph here is constructed with this pointer to the index container set. Well, no, but it's being set here. So after construction, the owner of the outer subgraph is pointing to the index container set. Reindeer. Yeah, that's a problem. That is definitely a problem. Let me hack that. Just can't do this because I think because item R. Ooh, that's being passed. Damn it, man. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. 99.graph.h line 99. No, oops, continue. Ooh, that worked. How often can we continue? That second time. Okay, run, yes. Continue, next. Now it's okay, reproduces. Run again, yes, continue. Now I guess it reproduces. So the question is, what the hell is subgraph? And subgraph is the outer subgraph. Right. Does the thing also have a this pointer? I guess so. Can just do step. This is the this pointer. Let's highlight that one. Yep. So that object is the outer subgraph of test 1 and it is locked. And now I'm running on owner. This is the derived class, but owner is print owner. What the hell is owner, man? Indexed container set. Of course that had to happen. There is something special as owner, but what? Aha. Owner is, whatever it is, something that has an outer subgraph that is an unlocked base pointer to that thing that is already locked. So owner is the owner of the locked outer subgraph. So I cannot go into this and then lock this outer subgraph. Period. Cannot do that. I'll have to pass the access, the right access object of outer subgraph to this function. Really looks weird. Right, so this is the unlock type. Going to, so this is the graph is namespace, and then we have that. And I want to pass that, so that's going to be that, and then we need to pass something that we can write to. So the what, the const reference, and that is the outer subgraph, the right access type. Wait, is this thing const? What I did is set rank there. Yeah. Now I have to add it there as well. Oh shit, it's a virtual function. No. Why? So this thing knows everything about the about the outer graph, but graph item is the set rank there thing. Well, no, it has to be the rank there graph. I don't know why it is a virtual function to begin with, actually. Set rank there graph. Well, okay, yeah. Well, every graph has that, I suppose. But one set rank there graph item. Oh, like that, it already had one. Yeah, and then the derived class is doing extra, and then calls the base class. I'm starting to wonder if it's not possible to temporarily unlock it. I know it is locked here. I could just unlock it here and then call this and unlock it again. Is that not possible? Because changing the signature here of this Wordle function is not really the way to go, I'm afraid. What I really want is that the owner is no longer, or rather the outer graph of the owner is no longer locked. So who's calling set rank down then? Call that. Yeah, cursive call. Please don't. This one, I think this one, yeah. That calls a fertile function, yeah. So I need my outer subgraph to be unlocked before I call this. I think it is this one. The item R. And we are passing it here, locked and well. Ah man, it sucks. Unbelievably sucks. Let's see if I have a temporarily unlock thing. So crad is a const read access type, which is an access const probably. Which has, let's say, I do have an unlocker there, a relock. Well, isn't that what I want? So if I have the access type, I can call unlock on it and then relock. Experimental, it says. No, wait, this is a dot graph. Nobody knows that this is an outer subgraph. Well, this is what I call hacking. Doing something that is bad, like calling item r dot unlock. And then item r relock with item. Isn't it like always the case now I think about it? I mean, this is a rank deer. Set rank deer? Set rank deer? No, it's not really. Some cases. Okay, I'll try this one. Make. Something didn't work. No matching constructor for initialization of. Relog does not work. Why not? My music went away. No matching constructor for initialization of cppgraphviz.graphItem. What am I doing wrong? Is item not the unlock type? Totally the unlock type. Oh, that's an item unlock type. I need an access type unlock type. Don't tell me I don't have that. Isn't that the same thing anyway? So both, it's item, so it should be the same, I think. And maybe item is a base class. So in that case, if I call unlock, sorry, if I call relog, I really need to have the derived type, unlock type, which is different, I guess. Let's see if this still compiles. I'm adding it here. In that case, I need an item unlock type, but maybe it converts automatically, and if not, then yeah, well, it's not going to convert, of course. But let's see where the error is now. Oh, I changed an function signature without. Or is this already a header? This is already the header. Definitely did forget something. Type name. No matching constructor for initialization of .const item pointer in instantiation of function template specialization. Blah, 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 blah. It's going to be requested here. Blah, blah, blah. Instantiation of template specialization. Blah blah blah. Requested here. Now. No automatic conversion. Okay. Yeah, I'll just have to look at what this is being called. I think the conversion took place there already anyway. Oh. Or not. Yeah, this is not working then, right? Is it? No, this is not working. I do need a cast here, but I think that wasn't a problem. It kind of compiled. Like if I don't think this is the problem. So if I comment this code out, then what happens? Damn, it's still not. Oh, right, yeah. So it does have a problem with parsing the stuff. No, it's not working. This is not working. I just have no, I forgot what it was. Item unlock type, I think. But I also have the access type. Where we have the unlock type, can I not convert this one to the other one? Access type, unlock type, what type will that be? Difficult. Theoretically, what I want to do is get an unlock type. Const reference, I guess. And I just want to cast it. That would be an unlocked cast to whatever we want. From whatever you have. That's a type name. And this too. And the unlock cost is defined in threadsafe, I think. Friend unlock cost. Yeah. No, template named unlocked cost. Did you mean unlocked base? Why the hell is that not? It's a friend, so it should put it in the namespace of this class. Which is thread safe. Man, what the hell? It's a mystery. Okay, it compiles. So it compiles. What? It compiles? Ridiculous. This compiles. Yeah, and then I should be able to use unlocked here. Also compiles. Still deadlock. At E1, we did get past the last one. So I did fix it. And we are almost at the end now, I think. But it's trying to add E1 while E1 is being locked already. That's not smart. Or not smart, I mean, not allowed-ish. I think I can just pass this one as well. That's the trick, right? Yes, yeah, So I'm passing here E as the unlock thing, but in reality we have an add that takes also the access type already. That's the second argument. And since it is already locked, you can just pass that in. Program exited normally, as if it is nothing. So deadlocks have been fixed, I think, ish. At least the ones that occur in this test. Index container set. Let me do that. I think no tests, and then yeah. I'm not so happy with the tracked. It's just a lot of debug output. How can I get rid of that? I guess just like this then. See, remove the tract. Oh. Ish. Well, I guess that's how it should look. Yeah, I mean, making things thread safe shouldn't change the graph. I think it looks good now. And then we have the last one. So this one works, that one works, this one now works, and then there's the last one. And that deadlocks. So there's more deadlocks. Oh, the deadlocks while doing what? On item attributes. Initialize, what the hell is this? Huh? What? No, it's not. It's logging the item. In other words, this thing here. And then we have to do, I think, the dot shared item in base trick. And then the star, and now we see what it is. It's AS0, which was copied and then moved. Okay. If I had known in advance that it would be this difficult, I would never have started this. Never. It's really amazing how complex this has become. I'm so tired again. Can't think. I need more sleep, Boys Bunny. I'm thirsty. Water. What shall we do? What shall we do? What shall we do? Yeah, already did this, right? I already did this. Yeah, what's that thing? A0. Call back. Maybe this is the one that locks it. That runs over all elements of the container, and then we pass that I to container reference, so that should be return an element of the container, right? So if this container contains A's, then I is 0. Where are we? I is 0, and this is A's 0. That's being locked right here. Makes sense. Guess that makes sense. So I'm doing a call back, passing an element that's locked. Can type down function invoker stuff. More invoker stuff. More invoke stuff. Call initialize on elements. Then the past node item there is already locked, I guess. Or something. Nah. I just don't feel like it anymore. It's just too hard work. To do the same thing every time. Painstakingly go through the stack or step through the code and then print everything out and keep track of what gets logged. And I'm too sleepy to do this for the 5th time today, so I'll be back later, I guess. Or maybe tomorrow. Let me play a game of chess. And or watch a movie after that. Which you can't stream, of course. Let's play online chess. I'm so sleepy that I can only play chess. I can't code anymore. Looks like Sicilian. And he's going to move this knight. He's not going to move that knight. I'm going to go here, threaten to give check. And here, and now I have to go back. Because the pawn is going to attack me, and then I want to... Now the knight is coming, and then I'll pin it. Oh, it's not playing the knight. Well, there must be an error, right? I can just go here now. Because the knight is not here, he cannot take my pawn. This must be the reason. Yeah, now he's still going to play knight, and then a blockade, and then you get the same thing as... Oh, what is that? That can't be right. That can't be right. Can it? Is it? What is this square telling me? I can almost go there. What happens if I just play this? Looks like a good move, but then this knight comes. And then I have to go there immediately, and then this rook just goes away, and then I don't have anything, right? Oh, much better. I play my bishop here. Queen moves, check, and I win equality. Yeah, it does threaten something. Threatens, bishop goes here, and then I win equality. I feel I have to sacrifice here. I sacrifice my undeveloped bishop, get 2 pawns. Then this is just probably going to win back this pawn then, because I just get a lot of development and stuff. Except that he has a check, and then my knight has to go back. That would not be much development, of course. So maybe sacrifice after I already moved this pawn up. It all depends on what he's going to do now. I suppose he's going to move the rook, but even then I can just still do this, give check, and I can't castle anymore. So yeah, it's a win-win for me, isn't it? To check. Oh wait, now I cannot. I go here, he goes forward, and then if I go there, it just takes me. No, that's not working. What is he going to do after this? If I move my pawn now. Yeah, has to play this knight, I think. And then what do I have? Nothing. Now my pawn is attacked and he threatens to... Well, then I can pin it. Okay, but then this was a lost move, wasn't it? Damn it. I'm gonna do this. Otherwise bishop is going to be a lost move to move it here. Now he moves the knight here, he can just take the knight, and then at least he has a double pawn here. So nowhere to castle, basically. Almost as good as... Oh, even better, now the check is gone. So now I can sacrifice here. So I take, he takes, I go here, and then I threaten to give check there. It's almost made. So he's going to defend... What is he going to defend, actually? He cannot defend this. So the check is coming, and then he can't attack anything. Let's say he plays a knight, then. It's still a nasty move, more or less. I just give check. The king has to go there. I can give check again by removing this. That's just a good move. Come on, just take it. Well, you can move this knight still. Yeah, this knight can go. I mean, he takes, I take, and then the knight goes here, and then he has a double attack on my knight with the queen and the knight. Okay, well then I can give check. It's no problem. Just my knight goes where it wants to go. And then that knight is here. Oh, then he can give a check here with the under defense of the rook. Damn it, see, it was not correct. It was not correct. So he's going to take here. I take back. He places the knight there, threatening to exchange my knight. No, threatening to win my knight. And if I take it, I have to take it, right? Oh, he's not doing that. He's not even taking my bishop back. I just won a pawn. Oh man, this is mate in two. No, it's not. If we go here, it just takes it. I thought check and mate. And even that's not mate. Then I don't have that anymore. I think I'm going to retreat my bishop. And sit on my pawn. Let's go here. Can also take here. Nah. I just won a pawn. Should be happy with that. I still have a bad knight here, and this knight here is also still possible. He took it. Let's take it back. I have to castle. At least now my knight can go here. Now this pawn is gone. It's not super bad anymore. Otherwise you have to play this and then go there and then go there and then go there. And now I can just go there. Put pressure on this weak behind pawn. Yeah, shall we all castle? I think castling is a must. And this too, or I can just play this one first. And then even if he goes here with the knight, well, it just loses another pawn, so it's not even possible. Let's go here. If I now take the knight, yes, take with no, it's not true. You just cannot take with the rook, but that's it. Cannot take with the rook. Then I take here. But you can take with the bishop, protecting the queen, or take with the queen itself. Checking that bishop. I'm gonna play this anyway. So remove those squares from this knight. Shall I go here? Shall I play this? He takes, I take. No, that's nothing. Oh, there's nothing. I'm gonna go here, I think. Let's see what happens. It's probably not a good move. The bishop was not bad at all. It's not bad at all. I have to develop my rooks and stuff. Developing my rooks. I don't know. probably just win on time anyway, but yeah. Okay, let's go here. What is the bishop doing there? Go away. He's out of time. He thinks this is a weak pawn, so let's make it complicated. Complicated. I want to develop my queen. Let's go there. Develop this rook as well. Is that threatening something? Not really. Let me take here. And then I can take here and I get another pawn. Yeah, well, nobody knows why I did that. Let's attack this pawn. I really need to develop this rook here. Let's develop the rook. Now I'm threatened to take it? Hardly. Let's go here. Queen exchange. This actually wants to exchange the queens. Why? Oh, he did resign. Okay, well. You see, this is easy. I mean, I'm not sleepy anymore. It's just the programming that's making me sleepy. Annoying. Doesn't work. I want to try to tools. Yeah, we have it. Board editor. Clear board. I want to try this again. I like to put that here. Nah. Yeah, I've been here before. Maybe here anyway. Now that looks like I should win this quickly, isn't it? Or not? Damn it, man. Why so difficult? So no progress at all. This position, the king not yet here. I need to know how to do that. Yeah, there's threatens a check here, and then I want to go there, and then I don't want to have a check, so I could go to this main diagonal, I guess. I'm not making any progress here. It's unbelievable. No, I'm still on this diagonal, so now I can go here. Finally, we have arrived. Well, now I go there, but at least we're a little bit closer, and then it runs away. Yeah, that's what I mean. No. Yeah, that was not good. Now I have to go this line here. Check. It's not possible. So how do we get this position? Can I chase it back? I guess I can chase it back. I can go here. Oh, that wins. No, doesn't win. Sorry. Puts the rook in between. Yeah. No, this king runs away again. Damn it. Okay, I give up. I'm gonna go find out how to win this position. Like, yeah, all of these things. Also this one. Really. I take the opposition here and checks me, and my queen is on that diagonal, but I cannot give check on this line. So my queen is here or further, or no, it's just here. Has to be exactly here. If I'm here, then it's also good. You just give check here and win the rook. So this is like the worst position to put your queen in. Okay, that's then a pretty precise position. How does one win this? Can I do analysis from here? Max depth reached. Dude, it's supposed to show table bases. Why does nothing ever work? I mean, nothing works. It's unbelievable. No, it's unbelievable. What the hell, man? I could go back to game. No, don't want to go back to the game. I want to analyze this thing. What kind of interface is this? Nothing is possible. You can't even make a fan copy. Unbelievable. Pose Bunny. Did Pose Bunny oops, that didn't work. I'm getting so sick of this. Nothing works. Analysis board, and then you can't even edit stuff. You can only play from the beginning. How is this useful? Oh, this is how I should win this. You go to the corner and it's made in 13. That's bloody fast. Okay, I assumed it would go there. And it's made an 8. You just have to go back. Oh, right. Plus I can go here now. Apparently this is faster. Yeah, this is easy enough. But slower, apparently. It doesn't even want to win the rook. Look, let me go back. It's a super easy position. It goes here. Why not there? That would be made in 3. Okay, that's like. Yeah. Okay, like that. Now, good. So try this again. I give check here, and put the rook in front of it. And then you have to do some magic. Oh, we have a table base here. Wow. Now we have a table base. Okay, so this is the only move then. I have to remember this position. You have to go there for some reason. Nobody knows why, but let's say it gives check. Then you have to go there, okay, and then of course you give check again, and then we hide there, and then the king runs away, and then we do another mysterious move, and then I give check again, and I go up there again. Now I'm a threatening mate, so it has to give the rook. Wow, that's a trick. That's the trick. Okay, I see. Let's see if we can do that. Now let me first try it again. Look at it again. How can I turn all the arrows? To continue from here. How do you do that? Turn that off. Nope. How do I go back to edit board? Yeah, board editor, found it. We put that one there, put this one, let's put it here and see if I can do it now. So like this. Okay, well, black to move, so let's say it's my turn in this position. Continue from here, play with computer. From position, unlimited 8, I play white. Now my plan was to go here, it's probably not even the best, but well. Oh, then it does that, well then I can give check here and I force it back. And it's not helping me, right? It's not helping me at all. Now it's doing that. Why not again this? Because I was thinking that was super nasty. So now I can win it. I have to give check there. And then go there. And then I don't know. This wasn't a deal. Maybe this. Nope. Completely deviled game. Unbelievable. Okay, so I went here and then king went here. And now what to do? I don't know what to do now. So let's try to go to analysis again. And we don't have table bases anymore. This is not the analysis that I wanted. This analysis is so totally not working. No, back to game. So I have to terminate the game, I think. I give up. Now I can go to analysis board, and then we go back all the way there, but we were here. Ah, now I have table bases. Okay, that's better. So that's the trick. You have to, the next one is 6 moves a little slower. There is only 1 move after this. Wow. Okay, let's say, well, everything is so different all the time. I wanted to keep my king cut off. Let's just make it go back. Then I have to do that. What? Okay, now I'm still attacking there. Now it has to move the rook at least. Oh yeah, that's a nice trick indeed. You attack the rook like this, and then the king cannot go anywhere, so the rook has to move. If now you give check, probably the same thing. I walk that way again. Okay, king comes forward. And then I win the rook. Yeah, either way, always I go here. Then we give check. Then we do that. And now what? Made in 1. No, it's made in 11. But at least we can capture something. Yeah, okay, I'm getting it. Any other move except giving away the rook is made here, so... Take the rook like that. Okay, I'm going to try it again from, let's say, from here. Why not? That is the best move, d4, apparently. Let's turn this off. Okay, so... Oh no, nothing. Damn it. Play. I think this wins, right? Go here. Right. Yeah, Post Bunny. Are you still there, Post Bunny? Challenge me. I have to click this. Oops, I think like. What is this? Back reload? No. Oh, that works. Well, I have wide. Yippee, I have wide. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. What? Oh, I thought it. I get 0 points. -1 is bullshit. Why do they do -1? Or because you still have a question mark, maybe? You might as well play unrated because the rating is not changing. Unless I lose. I cannot rematch you. You logged off. Oh, poor Poise Bunny. I'm gonna do one puzzle. It's not possible. Cannot click on puzzles. Oh, that worked. What is this? Find the best move for black. Well, probably winning because we can run here and promote, but we can only promote if we cut off this king. No, I can take it. He must take back, and then we move forward. Now we cut off the king. If we would not move forward, but just do this, he takes, I take, and then the king goes there, and he's inside the square. That's not working. If I cut it off, you can go there, and then I do this, and I promote where his king is. Promote with check. That would be nice. I think that wins. So take, move. Oh, you can also do this to check. Yeah, and then I kind of have to move here. Suppose he continues walking. And only then I move here. Check, 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 go there, move here. And then I move, take, move there. Third, second, promote with check. And my king is here. Yeah, doesn't look good. Maybe she just ignore the whole knight. What if I go here? I could also cut off the king by going there, I think. And then I would win one tempo, because he cannot give check. And if the king moves this way, then I just go forward. Oops, king is here. The king goes there, I go move forward, yeah. I think I'm going to take it. And then we go there. And that's bloody wrong. Do I first have to play this? No. This can't be the right move. No, that's not. Okay. Okay, this is confusing. Why is it not winning? Do I have to go back or something? Back and then stop the pawns from of white to promote like this? Nope, also not. Okay, start walking immediately. Yeah, that's it. Well, nobody knows why. Maybe if I walk, then I promote here. It's a little bit further away, but still. If I take, he has to go there to get into the square. And then I can cut it off. Not really. I still have this pawn though. No, it's not it. You have to walk like that. Whoa. And now what? Gotta be kidding me. How is this winning? Why is this winning and not the other one? H3. Okay, let's go to G3. And then I have to play H3. Oh, well, okay. Yeah, nah, yeah, both win, I guess, but he kind of has to take. Oh, I don't have to take back. That's the reason. So he takes, and then no taking, walking like that. So white is still outside of the square. Wow, yeah. So we have like this, taking a lot of moves, but in the end I can just break here. But. So if I was counting like I do this, it goes there, I do that, it goes there, I do this, he takes, I take, and he's inside the square, yeah. And if I take here, it's inside the square. trick is that I need 1, 2, 3 moves, and he must take. So I get that one for free. And then white may not stand in this square. That's 3 moves. I do this, go there, I do this, go there, I do this, just take, move. Yeah, it's still only there. So I do 1, 2, 3, take 3 moves. And then to get in that square, white has to do 1, 2, 3, 4 moves. And therefore I win that. Excellent. Is that not a free knight? I can just take it now. Looks like a free knight. I take with the queen, so that's a fork on the rook and the queen. And if we, I don't know, where does the queen go? Here. I just take the queen, and then I have that piece. Oh, must be it. So not very hard, this. Plus 25. That was way easy. Strange. I don't want that one. Black to move. Check. Let's assume he takes. Give check again. Nah, doesn't lead anywhere. Or does it? Oh, I can go here with my queen. F3. Yeah, the knight is pinned on the mate thread here. So we can just go here, and if the knight takes, it's a mate in 2. Cannot defend this. He blocked this pawn. The queen going back. That wouldn't work, I hope. Why not? Okay, she just take with the rook, right? And then same thing. The knight takes my queen, it's still mate. Can still not take like this. Oh wait, it can take like this. No, it cannot take like this because of the knight. No, wait a minute. Well then, in that case, I won. I just won the queen for a rook. That's good enough. So I'm threatening mate here. The only way is then to move this pawn forward. And then, yeah, then. Oh, then take the rook. Just a double attack. Except that white can give check first. If I go here, White has two checks, two reasonable checks, and then I go there. There's no check anymore. Could give check here and then go there, I guess. No, I just take the queen. Go there, just take it. Just nothing. Gonna do this. And we have a winner. And then I go there, and that's it. Well, I'm 2 ahead, so I guess I'm going to stop here. Because, yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, guys.